So we start off this video on refinishing CB radio cases in our pipe organ workshop, and there's an instrument which is actually 2/3 completed, hasn't got its front on or keyboards, and there's one that is finished. I was playing that this morning for the Zoom video, seeing as we're still in COVID lockdown. Anyway, on to the real job. At the moment you can't really get less tidy than this is. We're installing a small pipe organ, a little one, manual one, in a church 5 miles away, and you know, it's 98% done and it is playable, but this lockdown, etc, etc, and the cold weather, and you know what, I like to work in a t-shirt, and it's so cold in churches at this time of year that I don't need to do that. I don't have an end time on any of our organ contracts. And they don't pay until it's finished, so that's fair enough. So we're going to start by putting some emery paper. This happens to be 400 grade. There may be people who know better. This is a dead cheap orbital sander, probably from Argos for £9.99. I better plug it in the wall. So fit this onto that. Do have belt sanders for the actual. This was bought for CB lids, and on this lid that we're doing, which is the Tokai GT868, we've got this nasty splodge. These have been through the dishwasher, and I just want to. I'm not trying to make this the best thing you've ever seen. What I'm trying to do is to get rid of that. So let's see if we can. Otherwise, I'll be back to the piece of wood and the piece of emery paper on that. So we're just about through to the metal there, which really doesn't matter. Just in case there's any damage around the speaker grill, I'll just go over that. Sometimes there's holes in sets and we'd have to use car body filler on that. And then you've introduced another problem, and it's the time. So I've chosen to do one which we don't have to do that to. Now I'm going to go and find some spirit, and we could be using the isopropyl alcohol, which is expensive, or we can use the methylated spirits, which is what we're going to use because it's handy in this workshop. Of course, we need to clean the dust. I'm going to get another piece of blue paper. And if you don't do that spirit wipe, you're going to end up with a situation where it doesn't adhere. Right, we'll come out of here and we'll go to the next stage and over to the Tango Towers jacuzzi. And even inside here we have a tannoy speaker, one of the 22, so we can actually hear the radio system, and then it goes over to background music and things, which often we get interrupted with during the videos when it goes over to radio on the hour. So we've got quite a substantial area, and I've put some newspaper on the top. Hopefully I can see what we're doing because it's quite cramped with a 10 by 10 jacuzzi in a 12 by 12 building. So we've got these lids, which I'll make sure are in camera view. get it right. There we go. I'm going to go over these again, this time with I really ought to be wearing rubber gloves so that I'm not putting any greasy finger marks on these. And after years of trying different paints from the auto shops, etc., we've actually found that the high coat ones work best for us. Mr. Chippy does some amplifier repairs, and he's already got the matte black one, which is what we're going to use on this. They do a silk one and they do a gloss one as well. So what we're going to do is start with the zinc primer, because some of this is down to the metal. So hopefully this has been shaken up earlier. Okay, so we'll come back to that when it's dry and we'll give it a quick rub down. And I've got a little trick up my sleeve for giving these things a quick rub down, because you do need to do something or you're going to end up with a less than smooth finish. On CB radio cases, a lot of them are crackle finish anyway. So we'll pause the video at this point. So if this was all bare metal, we would need to do another coat, I'm sure. So what we're going to do is we need to rub this down, and we can use wire wool for that, and we can use very fine emery paper or wet and dry, and we can also use a piece of ordinary paper which has got things on, especially if it's an advertisement that's come through the door, because that's rough enough to go over that. Might be better if it's done with a block. I mean, you know you can get a paper cut very easily, so it's certainly got the strength. Now we'll go over it with primer. And this is which is this one. So it was a zinc primer before, it's an ordinary primer now. Keeping the can going all the time and doing it in circles. So we'll leave that to dry for a bit. So once again we'll now rub down these. Fold the paper a different way, too tight to use another piece of paper. Don't be tempted to do one big thick coat, you'll end up with it looking like orange peel. So we'll come back to that. It's quite warm in here, well it's 16 degrees, it's quite warm for beginning of March in Britain. Right, we'll go for another coat. So in conclusion, we've now got these done and they look alright and it shouldn't all peel off. So that's what we do here anyway. So I better clear away those. It's lucky I have that old lady who takes a large format newspaper. So I'll pop that on the set and so you'll see another video of the Tokai GT868 with some resprayed lids. You could also polish these with car polish and it would improve things. Okay, thank you for watching.